Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to delete voicemails on your iPhone. Before we get started, I want to mention that this method requires iOS 18.1 or later. Make sure you've updated your iPhone to at least that version. Okay, first thing we need to do is open the phone app. Once you're inside, look at the bottom and tap on voicemail. Here you'll see a list of all your voicemails. Now, there are two ways to delete these. The first way is by tapping Edit in the top left corner. Then, select all the voicemails you want to get rid of, and tap Delete in the bottom right. Alternatively, you can just swipe left on each individual voicemail to delete it. Easy peasy. Now when you delete your voicemails, you'll see this new Deleted Messages option. Think of this as a recycling bin or a trash can on your computer. If you click into it, you'll see a list of all your deleted voicemails. If you want to permanently delete these voicemails, and free up that precious storage space, you need to tap on Clear All in the top right corner. A little prompt box will pop up asking if you're sure, so just tap Clear All again. And there you have it. You've fully deleted all of your voicemails on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you're interested in getting real-time support and more exclusive content, you can join Max Save Plus below. Thanks for watching.